Start of the year, start of another brand. Today commemorates the looking forward for the year. Gather more opportunities for our Filipinos.
This continues our journey as a digital group. The success of the company really depends on us. So let's go, guys. Get to see you.
Hi everyone, my name is Faith. I am the Chief Art Officer of Digital Workforce. I look after the day-to-day operations and recruitment.
As you saw, I'm the Managing Director for one of the companies here at the Digital Group. Well, I basically take care of accounting, finance.
My name is Earl and I'm in charge of everybody, the day-to-day operations, mostly the salespeople involved, and our client acquisition. So it's all about reaching the business owners of the Digital consulting is our executive search services, whereas digital offshoring is our BPO, our remote staffing services. And lastly, as of today, DBD, Digital Builders and Design, cares after every engineering and architectural jobs that can be done remotely. Collectively, we take pride in calling ourselves as the Digital Workforce team.
A lot of things can be done with the advent of new technologies, with better internet here in the Philippines. With post-COVID, I think multinationals have long accepted already that a workforce that's not international, it's not a potent workforce because you can't limit talents to certain geographies. That for multinationals to really grow, they have to tap into the global workforce because the best is scattered all over the world. It's only but natural that with the global economy that keeps on growing, there's a lot of economic activities, there's a lot of construction activities, and we want to take advantage of that.
We started this business during the height of the pandemic. You'll be surprised that most of our employees, 90% are actually millennials. We are a millennial-dominated workplace. We take pride in having these creative people work with us. So from accounting, admin, digital marketing, software development, even architecture and engineering. So we're always proud of the local talents for our global market. If you guys are ready to join the digital workforce and you want to take advantage of the remote work setup, meaning you can work anywhere, sa beach, sa bahay, if you want to take advantage of our satellite office here in Clark, Angeles City, and also in Makati, please do send your resume to sourcing@digitalconsult.ph or faith, FAITH, @digitalconsult.ph.